You lead the way. Come on.
Good morning.
How are you today?
We're good.
At
We
least,
got heat early, so there's not a whole lot. Well, there's a lot left, but not a whole lot.
at least it's getting warmer.
Yes, thank God. Good morning.
Hi.
We said 8 o'clock. We have vehicles out there.
I
6:25.
was gonna say I'm not shocked.
Yeah. I kind of was, but
And you could say no early birds and people don't care.
they
Yeah.
did. No, they did.
They had to wait a little bit.
Get our coffee. Are you local?
We're over in Baden.
Oh, okay.
We hit a couple sales this morning over in Hopewell and Monaca.
Oh, wow, cool.
There's
So,
one on Flockery Run. Just letting I know that's where
Real
the ones who took all the tools this morning were.
where's that at?
Walker Run Road.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's another one.
Down at bottom, he'll make a left.
Okay.
I probably think it's at,
Is it going out towards the airport or towards
Yeah.
Crescent?
no, airport.
Okay.
There's a huge, building on the left. I can't think of the real name of it.
Did you say they have a lot of tools?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We had a lot
Oh.
of tools that the first group got. I don't know what they have yet.
Gotcha. Shark works.
Excellent, yeah.
Okay.
I mean,
Oh, that's fine.
Yeah.
I trust you.
Yeah, no, it's got all the attachments to it.
Okay.
That's a nice little.
It is. We have a bigger shark, so.
yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Have upstairs.
Yeah.
Are the girls allowed to have something out of the bowl?
Sure.
Okay. You guys can have take 2. Okay. You're welcome. That's Halloween early.
Yeah. Cuties.
That'll be later.
Can I have the milky way?
Excuse me.
That one.
Oh, for us.
Yeah, remember that group of all this women came? Yeah, it wasn't fun enough. Yeah,
Sure. I don't care.
yeah. Yeah, that was one of them. I can't remember which one.
You can have one.
Yeah.
Let me open it, or you want that now? Okay,
That one's so good.
that's fine. What?
What?
It's in my pocket. It's in my pocket.
And this one?
Yeah.
Well, I want this one too.
You can have one now.
Okay. I want the one. We have a lot of sugar today.
Honey, there's a garbage can right there behind that box. If you need to throw it out.
Yeah, these are so
What would you do for all the CDs?
Michael, you know that.
Oh,
That's your wrong.
Yeah,
oh, geez, I don't know. All of them?
I'll take all of them. Give me a good price, I'll take them all.
But the boxes don't come.
You
with
can you can have the
yeah.
boxes. That's
Okay.
perfectly fine.
That's
Nope,
where mine's
that's
moving.
that's perfectly fine. I can actually probably toss them in this shark box.
We'll give you
I have a
box.
bunch of bags.
Okay.
Don't worry.
What do you think about 20?
Did you do 25 for all that?
You think?
And
Well, yeah, give me 25.
Okay. I'm gonna keep looking. I might find something else though.
We'll get the
That works.
boxes for the okay,
What? What? No. Go on. I do like these gloves though, but I don't think these ones fit me. Wait, Mom wears size 8, doesn't she?
Maybe.
I'm gonna send these to Mom real quick.
They're cute. I think she'll wear them. That's what.
Morning. Hi.
Hello.
I know Mom wears these types of shoes.
We got hit early.
Sure.
Okay.
Or you want to wait till after lunch? Hold on, I'm seeing Mom wants these.
I want to eat it now.
Hold on.
I need help.
Just wait. Oh, watch yourself. Scoot up. No, have that after we get home. Oh, let's see if Mom wants these.
What she say?
I don't know. I think Bradley's getting ready to show her.
Here, take this one too. Yeah.
Here, stand right there with those. As soon as she's probably getting her eyes checked.
Everyone here early was going down. Flockery running different sales this morning.
Okay,
So
look.
Flockery
Help
runs
me.
down there. But,
Okay, grab those.
What is this one?
Yeah, she wants some. Here, just grab those. Take those in.
Where?
I mean, they raided all the
Where?
tools, but that's fine. That's fine.
yeah.
She wants these too.
Okay.
So it's 6 there. Yeah, 3 is 6. So we said 25, 30. Oh, that works. 31. There's 20. Oh, look at that.
Do you want a
Perfect.
bag for the shoes?
No, it's perfect.
Okay.
Box is fine. 31.
All right.
I
Thank you.
don't think we officially have enough room. No.
Okay.
I think we're completely full.
Just be careful. I know the CDs.
That's fine. I'm gonna probably make 2 trips. So I'll be back for those.
Okay.
You think can you grab them?
That's a lighter one there.
You might be able to grab it.
Do you want to walk that other?
Here, I'll walk it down.
You got it, or?
You want to walk the heavy one down?
Yeah,
there,
give me
just
the
in
heavy
case.
one.
Thank you.
My gosh, you're strong.